I used to think being put together meant never breaking. Then I learned about Kintsugi, Japan's art of repairing broken pottery with gold. They don't hide the cracks, they honor them, and that changed how I see my life. Marcus Aurelius said, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Kintsugi is that truth made visible. The break isn't the end, it's the blueprint for the comeback. Here's what I've learned. First, own your fractures. Shame says, cover it up. Wisdom says, fill it with gold. When I accept my mistakes, I can transform them. Second, heal slowly. Great repairs aren't rushed. Patience is the gold that holds everything together. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." Every trial, another line of gold. Third, make the repair the art. Perfection hides, Kintsugi reveals. I don't need to pretend I'm unbroken. I need to be sincerely rebuilt. Fourth, choose your response. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it." I can't always control the fall, but I can craft the join. Fifth, let your scars serve. When I share my gold seams, my lessons, my losses, someone else finds the courage to piece themselves back together. What if your hardest chapter is the line that highlights your purpose? So today, if something breaks, your plan, your heart, your confidence, collect the pieces. Name the fracture. Choose your gold. Honesty, humility, accountability, love. Then start the patient work of joining. You aren't ruined. You're being redesigned. And one day you'll look down and realize, these lines don't make me less. They make me art. They make me mine. And they might just be the map someone else needs. What stands in your way becomes your way, if you let it.